In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your workspace in Lovable. This is an essential skill for anyone using the platform, as it allows you to organize your work environment in a way that best suits your needs and workflow. So, let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to open the Workspace switcher. You can find this handy tool situated in the top left corner of your Lovable dashboard. It's the gateway to managing your workspaces effectively. When you click on it, it'll present you with a list of all the workspaces currently available to you. This feature is especially useful if you are juggling multiple projects at the same time and need to switch between different sets of resources and tools quickly. Now that you have the Workspace switcher open, take a moment to select the workspace you wish to manage. Navigating through them is straightforward, and choosing the right one ensures you're working on the correct project. Selecting the right workspace ensures that the settings you modify apply to the appropriate context, so be sure you're focused on the one you need. Once you've pinpointed the workspace you want to manage, locate the settings option from the Workspace menu. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on settings, you're opening up a hub of customization possibilities tailored to enhance your productivity and user experience on the platform. Inside the settings menu, you'll encounter various sections that allow you to manage your workspace comprehensively. These sections are designed to cover all aspects of workspace management, meaning you can adjust everything from user permissions to aesthetic choices that make your workspace uniquely yours. Take the time to explore each section. For example, you might want to manage team members and control their access levels, ensuring everyone has the right permissions to perform their roles effectively. You could also customize notifications to stay informed about what matters most to you in real time. Additionally, you may want to adjust workspace preferences, like changing the layout or theme to suit your style better. Personalizing the appearance can make your work environment more comfortable and visually appealing, which can, in turn, improve your overall productivity. By managing these settings, you're not just personalizing your workspace, but optimizing it for efficiency and effectiveness. Remember that the customization you apply should support your workflow, streamline your processes, and ultimately help you achieve your goals more efficiently. And there you have it, a brief guide on how you can manage your workspace in Lovable. By following these steps, you can ensure your workspace is not only functional, but tailored specifically to your needs. Once you've made all your changes, be sure to review and, if necessary, refine them for the best possible experience. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and happy managing.